Hello, good evening, Rishit. Good evening, Divesh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, good evening to you all. Charvik, Ritesh, Ridesh have joined.
Ma'am, I completed my homework.
Very nice. That's great. How was it? You found anything difficult? Any
No, ma'am, it's
difficulty
easy
in doing
only.
the homework?
No, ma'am, it's easy.
Okay. Good. Okay, children. So we were about to finish the exercise. Let's continue with that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll complete the exercise and we'll do some extra questions also, some practice questions. Okay. Let's do Shri Ganesh Kare. Let's see. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the screen.
Yes, and keep responding also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because at times, the network also goes off. Okay, so we were at question number 5. Sritej, read the question. Question number 5. Sritej is there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read
Tina
question number
had 20 meters 5 centimeters long cloth. She cuts 4 meters 5 centimeters length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her?
Okay. Divesh, what will be your first statement?
Ma'am, length of cloth Tina had.
Good. Okay. Charvik, tell me the second statement. What will it be? Charvik is there? Yes. Tell me the second statement.
So Tina, she cutted 4 meters 50 centimeters from 20 meters 5 centimeters.
She uses 4 meter 50 centimeter of the cloth. Okay. Then Sritej, what will you do in this case? Further?
Ma'am, there'll be another statement. Length of cloth left with her is equals to 20.5 meters minus 4.50 meters. Ma'am, it's 20.05 meters. Yes, ma'am.
Centimeters. Yes, 20 into 20.05 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you do subtraction. Okay. Quickly do it. Write the statement in your notebook. Do the calculation and tell me the answer.
From 16.
Yes, what is it?
From 16.
Say it loudly.
From 16.
16.
I got the answer as 15.55.
15.55. Are all getting the same answer? 15.55. That means
Yes, ma'am, I got the
15
same answer.
Okay. All got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Good. So that means this much of the cloth is, this much meter cloth is left. Okay. Now next question. Adrit will read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
Namita travels 20 kilometers, 50 meters every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometers, 200 meters by bus, and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto?
Okay, good. Okay, now I think with the Adrit, all must have read the question. Now Advika will tell me the first statement. Advika,
Ma'am, once can you wait a minute?
See, when somebody is reading the question, all must pay attention, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Namita travels to 20 kilometer, 50 meter every day. Out
Okay.
of this, she travels 10
No, I just
kilometers,
want the first
200
statement.
meters.
Question is already read by Advik. You tell me the first statement.
Okay. Distance traveled by Namita equal distance traveled by Namita every day equals 20 kilometer, 50 meter.
Yes. And the second statement will be?
It will be like distance covered by her by bus equals 10 kilometer, 200 meter.
Hmm.
The distance traveled by her by auto equals 20 kilometer, 50 meter minus 10 kilometer, 200 meter.
Yes. So everyone please do the calculation. Ridesh Maji, you will tell me the answer of this. Do it.
Ma'am, I
Ridesh
got the
Maji,
answer as
wait,
9.85.
wait.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
seeing
yeah,
Ridesh. I
ma'am.
want the answer from Ridesh.
Okay, ma'am. I'll tell. I'm doing the sum.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer with which
Okay, don't tell your answer. Let
ma'am.
Ridesh give the answer.
Ma'am, I didn't tell that.
Hmm. Yes, Ridesh.
Teacher, but we have to divide in this, right?
Okay, what we have to do in this?
Division.
Divide. Have you understood the question? Ridesh, have you understood the question? Namita travels 20 kilometers, 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 kilometer, 20 meter, 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. So that means now you have to tell how much distance did she travel by auto.
Okay. Teacher, we take 50 meters and 200 meters differently. And here 20 kilometer and 10 kilometer. If we do subtraction between each one, the answer will be
Mom, is it 1.555?
50 minus 20, 500 minus 20.
I'm left.
I
Yes,
know.
what did I do?
You need to subtract, not divide.
I am doing the subtraction only.
What is the answer?
Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
This
Yes, ma'am. The answer is
10.
10 10K 10 kilometer by 480 meters.
10 kilometer, 480
Yeah.
kilometers. Is that everyone getting the answer?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 8 kilometer and 85 meter.
Am I got-
Ridesh, what have you done? Ridesh, what did you do?
Ma'am, I got
Subtraction.
9 kilometer, 9.8.
Subtraction. Okay,
9.87.
okay. So, see, the school distance is this much. Okay. You can convert the whole thing to kilometers. That becomes 20.50 20.050 kilometers. And this one is the distance traveled by bus is 10 kilometer, 200 meters. So that becomes 10.050 200 kilometers. So that when you subtract, you will get 9 point. What did you get, children?
9.85.
9.850 kilometers. Okay. So in this case, you have to subtract, not divide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So half the distance is traveled by bus and the rest of the distance is traveled by auto. Okay. Now, another
can I
question.
read
That's
the
the last question. Okay, Rishit, read the question.
Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of this, 3 kg 500 grams is onions, 2 kg 75 grams is tomatoes, and the rest is potatoes. What is the weight of the potatoes? Ma'am, so
Okay.
the first statement will be Akash bought vegetables weighing is equals to 10 kg.
So
And
that's the total weight of the vegetables.
yes, ma'am, total weight of the vegetables.
Hmm.
And our weight of the onions in this is equals to 3 kg 500 grams. That is equals to 3.5
Yes.
kg. And the next statement will be 2 tomatoes weighing is equals to 2.7075 kg.
Yes, good. And the
So,
rest are potatoes.
yes.
Then what will you do to
Wait.
find potatoes?
And for finding the potatoes, first we need to add onions and tomatoes. And then we need to subtract that from this 10 kg.
Yes, from the total weight of the vegetables.
Yes.
Yes. So do it.
Okay.
Everyone understood what we have to do?
Ma'am, I got
Yes, ma'am.
4.425 kg.
Okay, beta. Let me check with others also. So first you will add up the weight of onions and tomatoes, and then you will subtract the whole thing from 10 kgs, the total weight of the vegetables. Ridesh, do it. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
I'm done.
Just a second. Where is Ridesh?
Ma'am, shall I say my answer?
Wait.
Yeah,
Where
ma'am,
is
I'm here
Ridesh?
only.
So Ridesh, tell me the answer.
Teacher, Akash bought 10 kilo of vegetables.
No, tell me the final answer. What is the weight of potatoes? What is the weight of potatoes?
Give me 1 minute, teacher. I'm doing still.
Rishit, what did you get the weight of onions and tomatoes?
Ma'am, the sum?
Yes, the sum of onions and tomatoes.
Ma'am, the sum I got it as 5.575.
Ma'am,
I also got the same.
Ma'am, and the difference
Yes.
of 10.000 and 5.575 is equal to 4.425.
Okay, 4.425. So that's
I got the same
weight.
answer. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Teacher,
that's
even I
ma'am.
also got, teacher, my answer is 4 kilos, 425 grams.
okay, 4.425 kgs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's the weight of potatoes. Okay. Okay. Good that you have done all these exercises. Okay, I'll give you a few more sums.
Teacher,
Yes.
when will start data handling, teacher?
What happened?
Data handling chapter.
Yes. What happened then? We will be doing that. Once we finish this,
Okay,
we'll see.
ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
This is not over now. The exercises are all done. We'll do some more practice sums now. Okay. Okay, children, I'm giving you some sums. Please note down. Okay. Subtract 9/10 minus 700.
Ma'am, 9/10 minus 700.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, is it 0.83?
Okay, let me check with others also.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 0.83.
Yes, ma'am,
0.83?
0.83. The same answer.
Okay, all are getting the same.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that becomes nice and okay. And this is
Ma'am, and the
Zero.
second one is 0.33.
Okay, so what is this? What have you got? This is 3, this is 0.83. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
and the
this
next
is
one is 0.33.
0.33. Have all got the same?
Oh, 1 second, ma'am, I'm doing.
In tens place.
Yes, ma'am. I got 0.33.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, 0.33.
0.33. Okay, yes, that's plus. This is 0.33. Okay, now tell me 0.023 lies between which two numbers?
Ma'am, 0 and 1.
0.
0 and 1.
Between
0 and 1.
zero,
Zero
yeah,
and one.
that's, yeah, if you have to take the big numbers, that will be 0 and 1 only. Okay,
Ma'am, or else
Ma'am, it lies between 0.022 to 0.025. No, 0.24.
okay, I'll give you some more sums. That's correct, but if I specify the range, limit the range to a limited range, never mind. Now this is find the difference. Okay. When you are asked to find the difference means you have to subtract. So that's 7.86 minus 3.24. Please do this. And don't tell your answer immediately. Let others also do. Then I'll ask you. I'll ask each one of you. Okay, done these sums?
Ma'am, I'm done with subtraction. Ma'am.
Okay, Divesh, tell me the first one, A part.
First one answer is 4.42.
4.42. Others, tell me your answer.
Ma'am?
Yes. Have all got the same or any different answer?
Ma'am, actually,
No,
I
ma'am.
got
It's
A1 and
4.62.
4.62.
Ma'am, 4.62, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 4.62.
4.62? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's
Yes, ma'am.
4.62.
It's 4.62.
Okay, 4.62. Okay. Okay, now next one. Soumya, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. tell
Ma'am,
me
I
the-
got 226.674.
26.674.
674.
574. Have all got the same?
Ma'am, I got 574.
Please check.
Ma'am, I got 26.674.
Please check. All of you check your calculations. All are getting different answers.
Ma'am, I got the
I
same
got 26.694.
Ma'am, I got 26. Ma'am, I got 26.674.
Ma'am, I also got 26.674 at
Ma'am,
that.
I also got 26 by 6.674.
So that's correct. Soumya has done correct then. Okay, tell me for the next one. Adrit will tell me the next one. Adrit. Oh, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, C1 is 14.374.
14.374. Others, tell me the answer. Let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
verify with everyone.
Ma'am, same answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, same
Same
answer.
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
All got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Adrit. Okay, now Advika, tell me this. Fraction form of 16.25 in lowest form. Now this is the decimal here given. 16.25. You have to make it in a fraction form in the lowest form. Everyone please do. Advika, do it. Advika will give the answer.
I'm done all.
Okay. Just a moment. Those who have done can try the next one.
Done, ma'am, all.
Yes, Advika, tell me the second answer. Question number 2. Done, Advika? Divesh, give me the third answer. Fraction 7 by 25 in decimal form.
Ma'am, I'm still doing that.
Okay, do.
Ma'am, is it 0.28?
0.28. Yes, that's nice. Yes, you're correct. Okay, 7 by 24. If I make it to something in hundreds, so I will multiply this by 4. So I get 100 here. Same here, I will multiply. I get 20. So I get 0.28. Advika, are you ready with the second answer? Advika? Advika is there? Okay, Sritesh, you tell me the second answer.
Ma'am, 7 by 25.
7 by 20. No, not this. This one, question number 2. 16.25 in the lowest
Ma'am,
form.
is it 73 by 4?
73 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check with others also. Have all got the same answer?
Ma'am, I got 13 by 2.
How much? 13 by 2.
Yes, ma'am. 13 by 2.
Ma'am,
See, if I reduce it to lower form, it will be like this. Okay.
Ma'am, I got 65 by 4.
Ma'am, I checked my answer. I got 65 by 4.
Yes, ma'am, I got 65 by 4.
65 by 4.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That's the correct answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, who's this?
Lasya.
Yes, good evening, Lasya.
Good evening, ma'am. Actually, I due to network issue, I joined late, ma'am. Could you
Okay.
please tell what
Okay.
what's
Okay.
instituted?
We were doing the yesterday's exercise only, day before yesterday, the exercise which we were doing. 3 sums of the exercise were remaining. So we completed that exercise. And now after that, I have done some extra questions. Okay, some few more questions we have just taken for practice. Okay, last year.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are doing the decimal only, some more extra questions. Okay, now I'll give you another question. Okay, children, do this. This is solve. Now in solving, you have 18.3 plus 17 point. Please note down the question in your notebook. Minus 15.87. Please do this.
Ma'am, I got 19.21.
Don't tell the answer until I ask you. Please do it. I'll ask each one of you. Okay, children, tell me the first answer.
Ma'am, I'm coming in 2 minutes. My mother
Ma'am,
is
it's
calling.
19.21.
Okay. Okay, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, whom did you ask?
What, beta?
Ma'am, whom asked, ma'am, about the first question?
Okay, I didn't take anyone's name, Bachit. You can tell the answer. What did you get for the first answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. What did you get for the first?
ma'am, the first one I got it as 20.07.
What is that? 20.07.
07.
20.07. Let me check with others. Others, please
Ma'am, I got
verify your
19.21.
answer.
Ma'am, I got 19.93.
Ma'am, I also got 19.93.
Oh,
Ma'am, I also got
I got
19.93.
19.21.
I did a mistake,
Okay.
ma'am. I
So
got it.
Rishit, please check your answer.
Yes,
All
ma'am,
are
I got my
getting
mistake.
19.93. Okay,
I
all
got
are getting the same answer.
19.21.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I did it correctly. So I got the same answer, 19.93.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now I'll ask the next question to somebody else. Ashwath is there today? No. Lasya, tell me the next answer. B part.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Lasya, tell me.
Ma'am, can I take 1 minute?
Devesh, be ready with the next answer. C part.
Okay, ma'am.
And Sritej, be ready with question answer number 5. Okay.
Ma'am, Divesh and Sritesh already got.
What happened?
Divesh and Sritesh already got this answer.
Your voice is not audible. Say it loudly.
Divesh and Sritesh already got science.
Already got turn.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Don't worry about your turn. You will also get. Okay. You will also get.
Yeah.
Ma'am, B bit 11.8.
B is 11.8.
Ma'am, in the fifth question, it is said that what has to be subtracted from the sum of 18.46 and 19.009 to get 50.6. Ma'am, but 50.6 is bigger than the sum of 18.46 and 19.009. So how can I
have that doubt.
Ma'am, how can I what should I subtract? I cannot subtract because
Wait,
50.6 is, bigger.
okay, I got it. Let me just check. Actually, the numbers written in this are the. Okay. What are you getting the sum of 18.46 and 19.009?
Ma'am, I got 37.469.
37 point.
469.
So what should be subtracted from the sum of this?
Ma'am, but 50.6 is bigger than 37.469.
Okay, okay. So let's change the numbers.
Okay.
Let's make it 38. Now do.
Ma'am, which one you have changed? Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Lasya.
50 is changed to 38.
Lasya, tell me the B answer.
Yes, ma'am. I said 11.8, ma'am.
11.8. How do you get 11.8? The sum of 4.5 and 5.3. What did you get this sum?
Ma'am, I did subtraction from 11 minus 4.5.
So this becomes 11. See, when you have something in the bracket, no, you first perform that thing. So solve the bracket first. Okay, whatever is inside the bracket. So that becomes 11 minus, this is 5 plus 3 is 8. Then you get 9.8. Now you can do 11 minus 9.8.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So then you get When you subtract this, you will get 1.2. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood now? Whatever you have inside the bracket, first you must do that. You remember Cosmos?
Ma'am, I got the
Last
answer.
year, have you studied
Yes,
about
ma'am.
Cosmos?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, you do the bracket. Please mute.
And there is some disturbance.
Yes, there is wherever the disturbance is. Please mute.
Ma'am, from you're saying the fifth question, turn 50 into 38. Ma'am, even 38 is bigger than 37, so can we make that 36?
Ma'am,
See, what should be subtracted from the sum of these two? First, you have to add these two. So
ma'am,
your
some of
sum
those-
is same.
Ma'am,
38.
some of those two is, oh, you changed that into 38. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sum of this, what will you subtract? So that thing is, I'm taking it as a variable so that you get 50.6. You know, this is the
I
question.
got this sum.
What should be subtracted from the sum of
Ma'am.
these two to get
Ma'am, shall I say the
50.6?
sum which I got?
So what will you do here? You
Ma'am, I
will
got
change
it,
the
ma'am.
places here. So whatever you have inside the bracket, minus 50.6, this x will go this side. Then when you perform this, the inside of the bracket, and you subtract 50.6, you will get your
X.
value. What do you want? Okay, you will get
Ma'am,
your
is
value
it
for this.
6.869?
Yes, ma'am, same. I also got the same answer.
I also got the
What
same
do you,
answer.
what did you get the addition of this? 38.46
Ma'am, the sum
and 19?
57.469.
Ma'am, I also got the same answer.
57 points.
469.
Ma'am, 469.
Okay, you've all got the
Ma'am, I
same,
got
no?
the
Now,
answer.
what? Okay, Sritesh, then what is the value of x now?
Ma'am, x is equals to 6.869.
6.86. You've all got the same now?
Yes,
Ma'am, can I see the C bit now?
C, yes. Who wants to say the C answer?
we told.
Ma'am, can I tell Cbit?
Wait, Sritesh, you have already got a turn. So who was that? Charvik was saying. You get the turn. Okay,
Ma'am, me,
Charvik, give me
me.
the C answer.
Mummy.
Yes, Charvik.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the answer for the C?
I got 3.8.
Charvik, your voice is very low.
I got 3.8.
3.6.
Ma'am, I got the same answer. Ma'am, 3.8.
3.8. 3.8.
Yes, ma'am, I also got 3.8.
Yes, ma'am, I also got
Charvik's
3.8.
voice is not clear. Okay, Chetan.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am,
0.2.
0.24. Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, it's 0.2, ma'am.
Not 3. Then why all are saying 3.8?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am, I'll recheck it again.
Ma'am, I rechecked again and again. It's showing 0.2.
Okay, let me also check. So this is 1.4. 5.2 minus 1.4. Then minus 5.2. So that's 3.8 only.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 3.8 only. Will you check?
Yeah, ma'am, it's 3.8.
Sritesh, check your work. Yes, Sritesh, please check your work. It's 3.8 only.
Ma'am, I think he added 3.2 and 1.8 instead of
Must
subtracting.
have done something. Sritesh, check your work again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, now let's do some conversions. Now, 25 centimeters. Don't tell the answer. I will ask each one of you. tell me first one. Lasya, 25 centimeters to how many meters? Lasya,
Yes, ma'am.
27 centimeters will be how many meters?
Ma'am, could you say once again?
Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Written
ma'am.
on it's written on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the A part. 27 centimeters to
25.
meters.
25 centimeter, ma'am.
centimeters.
25 centimeter will be how many meters?
Ma'am, done all.
Yes, Adrit, you tell me. Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, what will you get here?
Ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute?
Ma'am, the
There
C1
is no
is 1
calculation
point.
here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the C1 is 1.3125 meters.
Ma'am, done all.
C part is 1.3125 meter.
Ma'am, I got the A answer as 0.25.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good.
0.25.
Okay. Hridesh
Okay.
Maji, tell me this. 160 grams is how many kgs?
Ma'am, shall I
Hridesh-
say?
Okay, tell Advika.
Ma'am, 0.0160 kg.
0.0160.
Yes.
This is 160 gram. When you convert it to kg, what you divide by 1000, no? So
Ma'am,
that will be
0.
will it be this? Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, I got 0.16.
Yes, that's this only, 0.16.
0.16.
Advika, 160 when you divide by 1000, you will get your decimal over here. Okay, 0.16 kg. Okay, Rishit, give me the third answer. C part.
Ma'am, third one.
Yes.
Ma'am, the third one is. Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. I'm doing.
Hmm.
Ma'am, shall I say the fourth one answer?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, it's 0.75 rupees.
Which one? Okay,
Ma'am,
0.7.
Ma'am, can I say the third one?
Okay, tell me, Sritesh.
Ma'am, it's 131.25 centimeters.
Very good, Sritesh. Okay. Let me give you some more sums. Okay, children. See, we have done all the chapters. Most of the chapters we have done. Symmetry, you were saying it's not in your syllabus, is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Symmetry chapter is not in your course. Even practical geometry is not in your course, is it?
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but we could still do it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Still you want to do it?
Yes, ma'am, because
Yes,
I'm
ma'am, we can do it.
completed.
Ma'am, or we can do revision because final exams are coming, right?
I don't think you need to do practical geometry because even in your higher class, no, even in your class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10, practical geometry chapter is not included in the syllabus. Okay, it's not that at this level you are not having, it's deleted from the course of every class. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, but
ma'am.
after
Yes,
the
So I
after
don't
the
think there is
revision,
need of doing. Otherwise, for your information, if you want to learn something extra, that's a different thing. But in your senior classes also, you don't have practical geometry in your syllabus anymore.
ma'am, but I want to learn it because it might.
Ma'am, but in Olympiad it comes, ma'am.
Olympiad is a different thing, beta. There is over there the syllabus is not restricted to your books. Okay, there the syllabus is, you can get question from anywhere.
And but still we want to learn it because it might help us in basic geometry, this thing.
Okay, okay, if you want to learn it, then we'll do. But
Ma'am,
before
after
that,
all the chapters are completed, we can.
so only data handling is left now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with data handling first, and after that we'll do with geometry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, we'll start data handling on Monday or tomorrow.
why Monday?
No, not
Monday I
Monday,
will have
like,
class.
no,
Monday
ma'am.
we'll start it now.
Okay.
Okay, we still have time. So much of time is there. Okay, and we'll keep practicing.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, okay. So let's start with data handling. Now, who can tell me what is data? Have you seen your class teacher taking
Ma'am,
attendance?
data is an information.
Data is an information.
Yes.
Information.
Protected
So
information.
whenever you have exams or
Data is
unit
an
tests, your
information or
ma'am
something. Anything.
your ma'am always records everyone's marks in the register, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the information that the ma'am is taking. And what does ma'am do with that information?
Ma'am, she will
Have you
compare.
asked your ma'am, what do you
She
do
will
with
compare.
this information?
It's in the final exam marks and we'll get the report.
Ma'am prepares your report card. Is it? By the end of the session, ma'am prepares, your teacher prepares your report card. And then ma'am, what she analyzes with that. How many children are improving? How many children are showing downfall in the subject? That these things are being noted by ma'am. So how does ma'am check this? Ma'am will see, yes, in your previous test, Rishit had got this many marks. In this test, Rishit had got this much marks. In the another test, Rishit had got this much marks. So what will ma'am do? Ma'am will compare your marks. Are you improving or you are not improving? Okay.
Ma'am, will we
Is it?
really have a report card when we finish this?
I don't know that, but definitely you'll have some certificate or something that you do get, no?
Ma'am, but for us, they will not give report
Now
cards.
what's
They will
in
give
there?
answer sheets itself.
A
The
report
exam
card, I
papers what
don't
we
know,
know.
because for every week test, you are getting your certificates also, no? Whoever is doing good. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you do? So your ma'am actually analyzes that whether this particular child, how is the performance of this particular child, is the child improving or is the child declining in his performance? So all that. And if the child is declining, then ma'am will give you more practice sums. Ma'am will try to, bring your performance up. So this is all that analyze the data. What information ma'am collects, that is called data, right? So sometimes ma'am is taking attendance. With that, ma'am note down how many times this child was absent in the school, how many times the child was absent, what's wrong with the child, why is the child not coming, that ma'am get it.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Bit.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay.
But
Ma'am,
sometimes
it's clear, but
Future.
sometimes it's breaking.
The data which we collect, okay, is called data.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking now.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think that you have net.
So that's the one second. So the data your teacher collects.
Ma'am, yes. Kshitij on camera when ma'am left. And again when ma'am joins, he offs.